I'm actually fourth generation, and so I grew up watching the previous generations in business and taking care of customers. And I learned from a very young age that how important it was to take care of customers, because today's customers are tomorrow's repeat customers.
One of the biggest things I think we focused on here that's led us to be #1 in the world again is really trying to take care of the clients we already have. Customer retention here is very important. We spend as much time, energy, and effort retaining customers that have already bought a car from us or in the past or are on the service drive as we do trying to find new business. And we've had a lot of success with that.
Well, to get ahead of the competition, you have to think outside the box. You have to be progressive. So I think that a lot of people are scared to try something new, and that's something that we are always looking for the next greatest thing. And we'll put a little bit of budget toward it. We'll try it, see if it works, and if it does, then we move even more toward that. We moved a lot of our budget to digital marketing. We felt like we could be way more targeted in digital marketing. We tried early on, we were very successful at it, so we've continued to move budget in that direction. And we know we can message the right customer with the right message and be more targeted.
Nowadays, your showroom is online. And so understanding that, making it easy to navigate for customers, having a transparent process for customers before they come into the store, and championing that throughout your staff. You can do it 100% online, you can do it 100% in store. But really the best way nowadays is to do a blend of both. It saves customers time, it makes it easy on us at the dealership level, and I think it provides the best experience. And the dealerships that embrace that and really make that simple for their customers, I think they're going to be very successful.
Well, our Synchro team works very well with our internal team on a monthly basis and even really sometimes on a weekly basis to execute the vision that we have and our core philosophies.